This is Sundance. Sundance is a 5-year-old boxer, and we're going to teach Sundance to stay in a square. Now, we're using the modeling technique by using a prop to help influence the behavior. It's a lot easier to get a dog to do a stay if there's some kind of physical thing there that they can lock on to, whether it's something they're standing on or behind or something like that. Okay, Sundance, you ready? I'm going to lure Sundance to put his front paws into the square. Very good. From there, I'm going to use my hand as a visual signal. Stay, 1 step back, keep my hand up the whole time, 1 step forward, good stay, and give him the treat. I keep my hand up, my stay hand up the whole time. Stay. One of the reasons I do it is it's kind of that physical barrier that's helping him kind of lock onto it and stay. 1 step back, 1 step forward, and give him the treat. When I go forward, stay, you notice I don't take my treat out at this point and be like, oh, that was very good. Because what would happen if I would start to say, oh, that was very good? He might break his stay right there, right? So I always want to wait till I'm all the way back, give it a second, then I reach into my treat bag and give him the treat. Very nice.